What if happiness wasn't luck but something you could train? Science shows your brain can actually rewire itself. Today you will discover 17 habits that basically reshape your brain and make happiness come naturally. Most people chase happiness outside themselves, but real happiness begins inside your brain. Every thought, every habit, every action changes the way your brain works. Scientists call this neuroplasticity. Your brain is always building new pathways. The more you repeat good habits, the stronger those pathways become. The first habit is simple but incredibly powerful. Sleep. Sleep is your brain repair system. While you sleep, your brain removes waste, stores memories, and balances emotion. Poor sleep makes happiness much harder to feel. Habit number 2. Move your body. Exercise isn't only for muscles, it's medicine for your brain. Even 20 minutes of walking can increase chemicals that improve mood, focus, and motivation. Small movement, big result. Before we continue, ask yourself how many of these habits are already part of your life. Keep watching because the next habit may completely change the way your brain handles stress. Habit number 3. Practice gratitude. Your brain naturally notices problems more than blessings. Gratitude trains it to see the good instead. Write down just 3 things you are grateful for every day. Strengthens positive neural pathways. Over time, happiness becomes easier to feel. Habit number 4. Slow deep breathing. It sends a powerful message to your brain you are safe. Deep breathing lowers stress hormones and activities the part of your nervous system responsible for relaxation. Habit number 5. Go outside. Natural quietly heals the brain in ways technology never can. Just 20 minutes surrounded by trees can lower stress and improve good mood, attention, and creativity. Habit number 6. Help another person. Kindness changes not only someone else's day but your brain too. Amazing, isn't it? We covered 6 brain changing habits already, but the next one is something almost everyone is ignored, and it could be silently stealing your happiness. Don't miss it. Habit number 7. Limit your screen time. Your brain wasn't designed for endless scrolling. Every swipe steals a little more of your attention. Too much screen time overloads your brain with dopamine. Real life begins to feel less exciting, making happiness harder to experience. Habit number 8. Learn something every day. Every new skill builds fresh connections inside your brain. Read a page, watch an educational video, practice a new language. Your brain grows stronger every time you challenge it. Habit number 9. Laugh more. Laughter releases feel good chemicals that reduce stress and strengthen emotional resilience. Even a simple smile can trick your brain into producing positive emotions. Sometimes happiness starts with your face. Habit number 10. Drink enough water. Even mild dehydration affects your mood, memory, and focus. You are already discovered 10 habits that reshape your brain, but the next 7 become even more powerful because they change the way you think.